Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tim over here at Higgs Garage, and behind me we got the F150, 2013 F150 Platinum. We got some new turn signal bulbs that we're about to try out. So I had been reached out to by Auxito, and they had sent us these turn signal bulbs. I will show you guys a little closer here, and they are T25/3157/3156. So those would be the bulbs that these, I guess, would replace. And these are amber/white switchbacks. So we are going to go ahead and install these on the F150 and see how we like them. These were sent out compliments of Auxito, excuse me. And they wanted me to do an installation and honest review on this, so that is what I'm going to do. Be 100% transparent on how I like these, what they look like, and you guys are going to be able to see for yourself. Hopefully the camera picks it all up. Factory bulbs, switch over to this. So we'll do one side first, we'll do a little comparison, and then we will go ahead and install both sides, and we'll try to get the lights turned off in here and see how dark we can get it and see if there's any difference, or if we don't tell a difference. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. First thing I do notice though, is that they come in a really nice packaging. I have never opened these yet, so with me, first time. They look like really good quality. Let me see if I can show you guys. So they look really nice. I'm hoping that they work really well. I have pretty good confidence that they will. Like I said, good looking quality, and the company is actually super nice, and they have all kinds of different accessories for different vehicles. So go ahead, head on over to Auxito.com, and you guys can go ahead and select your vehicle in there and see what different lighting options they have, different accessories, and go ahead and throw in code HiggsGarage15, and you guys will get 15% off of your purchase. So go ahead, head on over there, see what they got, see what you like, and pick you guys up some different auto accessories for your vehicle, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. So, all right, without further ado, let's get these things thrown in this truck. I've never taken these lights out of this truck or replaced any bulbs or anything on them, so we're gonna kind of figure this out as we go. I don't believe it'll be too difficult. There's this little, mine's pretty trashed, but little rubber protector here. So looks like we got one here, bolt two on top there. So we're gonna get those pulled out. Let me grab a wrench. And I know I said one right there and one right there, whatever, but what I'm getting was a 10 millimeter, so pretty common. Get this lined up correctly. There we go. Pop it in. And we're going gonna slide our light back in. Make sure you get all your little tabs lined up. Bam. All right, and before I tighten any of those bolts up, we're gonna go ahead and scoot back and we're gonna see if we notice any difference with this. The truck. And let's turn on those hazards. So yeah, guys, that is a million times better. It's not hyper flashing, it's not acting weird, it's extremely bright. It looks very, very good. You can see on the driver's side, the light that I did not replace yet. Not nearly as bright. So those are just regular lights. And you guys can see that it is a white LED. So let's go ahead and hit that turn signal. And then this is just the original on the driver's side turned on. And that other light will switch right back to that white LED, which looks absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and throw that other side in. This side has a little fastener, the other side has it as well, but it was busted off, so it's just a little Phillips head. Unscrew it and pull it out. Like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Set that aside. What? I'm gonna stop right here for a second. Let's shut the garage door and turn the lights off, and let's see. We obviously can see that this side is not nearly as bright as the other one, but just for laughs, let's go ahead and shut the lights off and get a little dark in here, and then look at it in the dark before we do this. Wow. Insane. So you guys can see, I turned the headlights off, fog lights off. So this is just with the parking lights on. Absolutely insane. It's even glaring on the camera pretty bad. So hold on, let's try the turn signals for the hazards. Huge improvement. Try to get it toward it's not a glare. And it does flash faster, but it's not a hyper flash. It's just instant on and off, instead of like the old halogen bulbs that are, you know, on and then off a little slower. So that's why it's faster, but it is absolutely not hyper flashing. Much more distinct. Let's stand in the middle here. And this is all coming from my right, so if I... Oh shoot, sorry guys. Put my hand over it, you can see all of that light is coming from the right side, passenger side. Absolutely amazing. I love these lights. All right, let's get this other side installed. have it. That's how you would go ahead and upgrade your factory turn signals to these LED switchbacks from Auxito. And the part on here, it looks like at the very bottom, I'm showing a T as in Tango, Y as in Yankee, 015. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a close-up of the box. So there you guys go. Awesome upgrade. Being totally honest on this review, I would give it multiple thumbs up. I would definitely upgrade another truck. If I had another truck, same year or whatever, I would definitely upgrade to these LED turn signals and whatever other lights I could possibly go ahead and upgrade. So the HIDs on these are a little limited. There's nothing I can really do to upgrade them. They're pretty nice already, but if I had halogen bulbs, which I believe they do offer upgraded halogen bulbs, if you have the other style headlight in your F150 12th gen like this truck, I would definitely do it. So head on over to Auxito, use code Higgs Garage 15, get yourself 15% off. Grab you guys some of these turn signals, some other bulbs, accessories, and I do not think you guys will be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Auxito, for sponsoring this video, sending these out. They are absolutely amazing. And guys, don't forget, head on over for your chance to win $250 to Horn Blasters. Just go ahead, head over to the YouTube channel, click on the giveaway video, giveaway number 2, and subscribe if you have not already. Leave your subscriber number. So if we were at 450, for example, and you subscribed and you were 451, subscribe, and in the comments, leave the number 451. If you are already subscribed, go ahead and just put subscribed into the comments. And once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will be getting a random comment picked for somebody to win $250 to Horn Blasters. So don't forget, head on over, do that. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and we'll see you next time.